The Seed Savers by Bijal Vacharajani. The cotton farmers are worried. The harvest last year was very poor. Now it's summer. Time to sow the cotton seeds. But in their village, it's hard to get enough local and organic seeds. What to do? Bijay wonders. We have a big problem.
The seeds in the market cost too much,
says Nabita.
Those seeds need pesticides and chemicals to grow,
says Ketaki. We want seeds that are best for our home soil and weather, says Bijay. Nabita and Ketaki are part of a group of women farmers. They hold meetings. They meet the village head. They talk to farmers groups. What to do? Everyone wonders. We have a big problem. After many days of talking, everyone looks happy.
We know what to do,
says Nabita.
No problem is too big. We will start a bank.
How will a bank help us? Asks Bijay.
Not a bank of money, a bank of seeds,
says Ketaki. The farmers come together to start a seed bank. They deposit the few seeds they have at home. A seed bank works just like a bank. People go to a bank to save their money. At the seed bank, farmers save seeds. Old seeds, local seeds, organic seeds, cotton seeds, okra seeds, pumpkin seeds, paddy seeds, millet seeds, red gram seeds. So many seeds to save. Sumati borrows 1 kilo of cotton seeds from the bank. Nabita carefully notes it down in a register. Krupa deposits 1 kilo of paddy seeds into the bank. Ketaki carefully stores the seeds in a pot. The seeds are sown and watered. The monsoon comes and goes. It's harvest time. The farmers get a good crop of cotton this year. Sumati gains more cotton seeds from the harvest. She repays her seed loan with interest by depositing 1.5 kilos of cotton seeds into the bank. Ketaki carefully notes this down in the register. Nabita carefully stores the seeds in the pot. The seed bank now has lots and lots of seeds. Seeds for the next year and the year after that.
Hãy đăng ký và bấm chuông để nhận những video mới nhất từ Kiwi. Đừng quên like và share để mọi người cùng nhau học tập nhé.